This video will guide you through replacing brake fluid in L-TWOO mountain bike hydraulic disc brakes. Before replacing the brake fluid, please read the following precautions carefully. Remove the wheel and brake pads. Then insert the bleed block. Draw about 15 milliliters of brake fluid into a syringe. Remove all air bubbles from the syringe. Turn the brake reach adjustment knob. Set the lever reach to maximum. Use the 2.5 mm hex key. Loosen and remove the oil filling hole screw by turning it counterclockwise. Then attach the injection syringe by turning it clockwise and tighten it. Use the 2.5 mm hex key. Loosen and remove the corresponding oil filling hole screw on the brake lever by turning it counterclockwise. Attach the oil funnel by turning it clockwise. Pour in brake fluid until the oil funnel is about a quarter full. Hold the syringe upright. Slowly push the plunger of the injection syringe. At this point, bubbles will rise in the oil funnel. Continue pushing the syringe. Inject about 13 milliliters of brake fluid. Do this until no more bubbles appear in the oil funnel. Monitor the fluid level in the oil funnel to avoid overflow. Insert the oil stopper into the oil funnel. Remove the injection syringe by turning it counterclockwise. Reinstall the screw by turning it clockwise. Wipe up any spilled brake fluid with oil-absorbing paper. Remove the oil stopper. Adjust the handlebar angle repeatedly. Press the brake lever several times until it feels firm. This means all air has been bled out. If the lever doesn't feel firm after multiple presses, repeat the steps above. Reattach the syringe and refill the brake fluid. Keep the top of the brake lever level. Insert the oil stopper into the oil funnel. Remove the oil funnel by turning it counterclockwise. Reinstall the screw with the 2.5 mm hex key. Wipe up any spilled brake fluid with oil-absorbing paper. Remove the bleed block. Then reinstall the brake pads and wheel. Adjust brake lever reach. Turn the brake reach adjustment knob. Set the desired lever reach according to your preference. Thank you for watching this video.